Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given system of equations by Cramer's rule. To get a full understanding of this topic, please watch this video till the very end for additional practice problem. So before we get started with our solution, I want to tweak this problem a little bit differently. And as you can see, I have changed the colors of coefficient for x variables. I put them in a blue, and then the coefficients of y are in the red, and the right hand side, these constants are in a green color. And one more thing, just keep in your mind that Cramer's rule deal with the determinants, and determinant is related to matrix or matrices. Instead of brackets, this is represented by vertical bars like this way. That is pretty much it. Now let's get started with the solution process. Since we want to solve this system of equation, that means we are going to find x value and we are going to find y value. And here I have nicely set these variable up. X equal to one box on the top and one box at the bottom, and likewise one box on the bottom and one box on the top. By the way, these boxes are called determinant, as I told you a few seconds ago. So let's start filling out these boxes. So let's get started with the left hand side only of these equations. Let's focus on this part. The coefficient of x, -4 and 4, is gonna go at the bottom right up here. And for y coefficients, these one, -3 and 5, is gonna go right up here. Likewise, whatever we put down, we're going to do the same thing. Bottom determinant is going to be identical. It's going to be a -4 and 4. And likewise, it's going to be -3 and 5. So far, so good. So now let's shift our focus on the top. You see this on the right hand side. These are constants, 14 and -10. For x variable, these green numbers going to show up on the left column. So I'm going to put down -14 and -10 rather. And for y, this going to shift, this green number is going to shift to this next column. So 14 and -10. Now we are almost done, and now we are going to fill out this empty slot or empty column. So right underneath this empty column, we are going to see these red numbers. Just push them up, copy and paste them. So this is going to become -3 and 5. Likewise, to fill out this column over here, look at the numbers underneath it, which is -4 and 4. Just copy and paste them, -4 and 4. Now we are done with these filling out part. The next thing is we want to find the value of these determinant. And here's the formula or the fact we're going to be using to find the value of the determinant. It says that the determinant A, B, C, D, if you want to find the value, that's going to be A times D and then minus sign and then B times C. That's what I put it down. We're going to be using the same definition to evaluate these determinants. Let's get started. If we diagonally multiply this one, 14 times 5 equals to 70. And then we're going to put a minus sign before we do anything else. And then I'm going to cross multiply the other way around. -3 times -10 equals to positive 30 divided by, we're going to do the same thing over here. -4 times 5 is -20. And then we are going to put a minus sign before we do anything else, and then we're gonna multiply the other way around. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Let's simplify this one over here. If I simplify this thing, on the top is going to be 40 divided by negative 20, and then you see these two signs, negative and negative, become positive 12. So that means it's going to be 40 minus 8, and if you simplify, that is going to give you negative 5. So x turns out to be negative 5. Let's shift our focus on this y determinants. On this one at the top, if you look at this thing, let's cross multiply. Negative 4 times negative 10 is going to be positive 40, and then you put a minus sign before you do anything else, and then I'm gonna cross multiply this thing. That's gonna be 56 divided by, we're gonna multiply this one, negative 4 times 5 is negative 20, and then minus sign, and then the other way around, which is negative 12. So let's simplify this thing. That's going to be on the top is going to be a negative 16 divided by negative 20 plus 12, which is equal to negative 16 divided by negative 8. If you simplify, reduce, that is going to give us 2. So y turns out to be 2. Thus our solution turns out to be x equal to negative 5 and y equals to 2. If you want to put in an ordered pair, it's going to be a negative 5 comma 2 in the coordinates. And here is your assignment. Can you do this one on your own? You can take your time, you can pause the video. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.